Hi, hi to our classes. Today let us discuss with DC machines. So the last classes we have discussed regarding the missions classifications. So in that we have two types of missions. One is DC mission, another is AC mission. So in today's discussion we are going to discuss about the DC missions. So mainly in a DC mission we have to discuss about the two things. One is DC generator and one more thing is DC motor. Okay, DC motor. So in a DC generator we are going to generate the electricity. That electricity is the DC electricity is output. So at the output we are going to get the DC electricity from DC generator, and we are getting the output of a motor is a torque. Or we can simply say as mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be obtained. So when you comes to generator, the representation of a DC generator is like this. This is a symbol for the representation of a DC generator. Okay, this is the symbol for the representation of a DC generator. Similarly, the representation of DC motor is being given like this. So this is the representation of DC motor. So for a DC generator we have giving a mechanical energy as input. We are giving a mechanical energy. This is a shaft of a DC generator. So we are giving the mechanical energy with the help of some turbine. By coupling this turbine we can make this mechanical energy. So output of a DC generator is DC voltage is the output of your DC generator. So output of a DC generator. Here we can simply say that mechanical input is being given to the generator. That is generator, this may be a DC or AC generator. We are getting an output as electrical output is being getting here. In a similar manner, here when you comes to motor, here the current is driving towards outside. When you comes to the situation of motor, we are giving input electrical energy with the help of some battery or a rectifier source. We are giving input to the motor, and we are getting output from the motor is rotational energy. We are getting the output is mech energy. Output is the mechanical energy we are getting from the DC motor. So here DC or AC motor, we are giving electrical energy. Electrical energy is an input, and we are getting the mechanical energy as output from the DC motor or AC motor. Simply we can conclude in a one thing: if any device which takes the electrical energy and gives the mechanical energy as an output, then such a device is called as a motor. The device which takes mechanical energy and gives the electrical energy, such a device is called a generator. In the both the generator and the motor, here electromagnetic conversion is being taken place. Conversion is being taken place in both the generator and the motor. The electromagnetic conversion is going to be taken place. Here, to find the direction of induced voltage or EMF, that is, can be found in the generators by with the help of Fleming's right hand rule. So here I will write. Here I'll write, you see, if you are not visible, I'll write here. In a DC generator, Fleming's right hand rule is used. When you comes to, in case of motors, Fleming's left hand rule is being used here. So, my dear viewers, I think you got a minimum idea what is meant by generator and what is meant by motor. With this video, you can know a simple knowledge on what is meant by generator and what is meant by motor. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Give me the support. It will be the encouraging, and I will do more and more videos regarding the electrical engineering. I am signing out. Thank you. Bye.